Oh, what's up? It's Rick, Ash. We're from Reverend Retro and we're at Smithfield right now. The show and shine.
Let's have a look.
Go.
It's got a VW combi truck.
This be a conversion, you reckon?
I don't know, man. I don't know enough about them, eh? It's pretty old. A bit old for me. It's Baby Girl Supra.
See this one around everywhere.
And I think that's the boyfriend. Is it not the boyfriend or
It's maybe
friend's
the boyfriend.
partner? Don't know.
Now look what she's done
Brother,
inside.
sister, I don't know. They know each other anyway.
Got the love heart rims and all.
She's got the full custom boot done with the snake skin. Superman logo. 4 12s or 10? 12s. 12 inch I think, yeah. She's got the number plate too. Mark 4, bro.
Mark 4. These two always rolling together.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if they're partners or friends or siblings or I don't know, no idea. She's got the custom snake interior too. Beautiful.
And look at this engine. Got custom imports cover. There's 2J.
It's pretty sweet. I like the kit on the front too. With all the splitters and that.
Yeah.
Spikes Auto Lizard Pulsar.
So I think this was a sound system competition car.
Is it? Watch out.
I think.
Custom interior, of course.
So yeah, you got the fusions in the back.
Yeah.
Nice
Got
clean.
the subs pumping.
Jim's trim.
Don't touch it.
Might grab one. Grab one of these. What's this? Ford Laser.
Another Spikes car. I think a few of these are
So
Spikes.
this Ford Laser here, I've heard, won the sound system competition of the year back in 2001. It has magazines and all of it. Let's see if it's in the back. There's a street machine mag of this car.
Frickin', it's called.
The frickin' Laser.
I gotta get me one of these poppers, bro. That's pretty cool. Bonnet popper thing.
And this one, we got the Evo.
Spike.
What's
This
this?
must be his personal, yeah, because it's got Spike on it.
Yeah.
I'd say so anyway.
The first time I seen this, I'm pretty sure he was explaining that the wheels are way wider than what they actually meant to be. They're super wide wheels.
Nice fat body kit.
And then the same owner
that's-
as those two there.
That's nice inside, bro.
We got
Hurts. On nets, eh?
another sound system car. This Colt, this is the owner of all these cars, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, it's the guy in the green.
He used to own this car from what I've heard, but he sold it to his photographer.
Oh yeah.
Now his photographer owns this car. It's a classic Colt Mitsubishi. There's a little bit on it. Got this. What's this on? VN.
VNSS. Yeah. bro.
VNSS. I always get mixed up with the VPs. If that's a thing.
So the VN is rounded, the VP is like flat. Well, that's how I tell it apart anyway. Yeah, SS. It's not pop, but I'd say it's a 5 litre. Unless they've engine swapped it.
Nice VN.
VHSLE maroon over silver.
Nice VH.
Hey, one way you can tell with the SLEs, yeah, they got the full
On the
bumper, and
yeah.
they got the, see these parts?
Yeah.
They're extras. I used to have the old Mama VB, I changed it to a VH rear end back in the day. Not as nice as this, of course.
We got a Maloo. What's his name? The Exorcist.
Exorcist.
Nice. All right, Maloo.
VE. LS3. It's got an OTR intake.
We got a little Corolla next to it.
Corolla.
Yeah, it is.
Toyota Corolla.
Nice Toyota Corolla.
That's cool.
Pretty OG. Would you say this is a 80s? 70s.
70s, I reckon.
This car right next to us shouldn't need an introduction for this page.
That's my car.
So you got the Rev and Retro, okay, an HDT, bros.
VE. Here, I'll open it for you, bro.
Sweet.
It'll just look tiny. Like it'll be the whole like someone puts it on a quarter pound away.
It's a bit messy at the moment, but
The HDT seats. Build number 118.
Red line manifold, and then it's their actual weather. Like they're genuine.
Engine rebuilt. Do you know what supercharger you got?
I think it's a Harrop 1900. I think. If anyone knows better, correct me, please.
Sweet.
But I bought the car like this, so I didn't build it.
Got some badges there. UCT improved. Got the plus pack. SS. What's this one? This one's a H.
I think this is a H. Yeah. I think so.
Not 100%
Maybe not.
sure. This is like an Australian El Camino.
I don't know, it could be like a HZ. Hey, I don't know, to be honest. I'm not sure, man. Sometimes I can tell, but I can't tell with this.
I wanted to do it.
We built a HZ Ute in my garage that would look very similar, but
Yeah.
it's nice, man. Pretty nice. Matte black.
You got this nice Kingswood.
HK or HT, I'm not too sure.
American made.
Pacemaker extractor. That's cool. They cost a bit, man.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That's all original too. That's cool, man.
Except this
Clean.
head unit.
Yeah, well, you know. GTS. I think that's a HJ, maybe. Yeah, 4 doors. So I think it's
4-door.
HJ. I think that's right. I could be wrong. Loose. What's his name? Donk.
Oh,
Donk.
look at the name on the engine. Loose.
Loose cunt.
Yeah. That's fire.
Looks like an LS1. Kind of.
Yeah. What's that gauge? Don't know.
Probably oil pressure or something.
Ah.
Another GTS. I'm pretty sure this one's a HQ.
So this one here was the one that broke the summon that's nah.
Nah, bro.
Nah, this is a replica.
Nah. It's the HQ GTS, bro. Shouldn't be worth heaps.
That's Monaro.
Inside's flash. Oh, nice boot. He's got a fuel cell in the boot.
Oh yeah.
That looks nice, bro.
I like the Monaro.
That's clean. Real clean.
Got this Pacer.
Valiant Pacer, I believe it is.
Yeah.
I used to race these at Bathurst, bro.
Hear me?
Yeah, it's definitely a Valiant.
Wow.
Bonnet's nice.
You got a GT.
No, Ford Capri, bro.
Oh, Capri.
Yeah, Capri. It's a Subaru Capri.
Like, this looks
Another
super
car that was at Bathurst. This would have been racing against them, probably.
Yeah, this was the one that
Around that time, anyway.
what was it? Dick Johnson was driving the other day when we were watching.
Nah, Dick was in a Ford Sierra.
Ah, yeah.
Cosworth. This is just a Capri. I mean, he did drive one of these in his younger days, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Once or twice. This Camaro is sick, bro.
Nice Camaro here.
Street Fighter.
Okay, now look at that block.
750S.
That's huge.
Yeah, that is beautiful.
American V8. Jesus.
It is pretty sick, huh? Inside's nice too, man.
This interior. Camaro.
Nice and modern.
Yeah.
Got a Skyline wagon, bro.
Yo.
This is pretty clean. I don't see many of this clean.
I haven't seen an exhaust like that in years.
Jesus, yeah.
Remember, what, early 2000s? That was the thing.
The tips. Manual? Yeah, manual. Cool.
Jeez. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, man.
Wagon.
It's clean GTS.
Yeah. Turbo too.
What do you got here? VA.
Got a Calais.
Yeah, I think it's a Calais, bro. Look like a Calais to me.
Let me just have a quick look at this one. Got a Harley sticker on there.
I don't think
Looks
it will be
pretty
a Calais.
nice.
It could be. Calais VG.
It ain't weak to speak. That's
Hey,
right.
It's a Calais V.
It's a Calais V. Looks like 20-inch rims on it.
Yeah, they're pretty big. They're massive.
Yeah, this car's got some decent stickers. Fake taxi. My favourite one on this car, that is. It ain't
They're
weak to
22s,
speak.
G. They're 22s. I thought they were bigger than 20s, man. Oh,
Oh,
22.
yeah. Some 22s on the Calais.
Mustang.
Nice OG Mustang. 67, I'll say.
Oh, I don't know, man. Could be 66, 67, 68.
Or I don't know, it says 166.
Convertible.
Got a Betty. Nice interior. Oh, that's beautiful.
Got another Ute.
What'd you say?
Looks
this one?
more of a modern colour, eh?
Yeah, it
I
looks
don't know
nice.
what colour it is, but it looks more of a modern kind of colour.
I like the green. It's like Hulk green.
Yeah, kind of. Nice. Really nice.
GCS. HQ, huh?
That's so clean, the engine, man. The engine bay is so clean.
Yeah.
I feel like mine's so dirty when I look at that.
We
What's
got
this
a
new Golf? Oh, is that a Golf? A
yeah,
new one?
Golf. 20 pot? Nah, not 25.
That'd be new, I don't know. It's as new as I know.
Maybe.
It is
I don't
pretty
know, I
new,
haven't-
look at it.
I haven't seen an R like that.
Nah, same. I almost
So,
haven't seen the
Correct
Golf
us
as
if
new
we're
as that.
wrong.
Any
Tidy,
Volkswagen fans out there, let us know. Got the carbon fibre everywhere.
Nice seats.
If this is your car, let me know what you're pushing.
We can tag him. Tidy R
Tidy R.
2022. So I think this is 2022 coming off his Instagram tag on the sticker.
Oh, okay. So you know what it is?
Got a Subi Liberty, I guess.
Yeah.
Looks like. Car's a bit dirty, but
Haven't seen one of these for a while, to be honest. I used to see them all the time. Oh,
is he
this
missing a muffler?
now. No, I don't think so.
Oh, you got
XB.
this. XB.
XB.
This one's the pink bits.
Very 70s look. 70s paint job, anyway.
This looks like something Austin Powers would roll in.
There you go. Not sure if it's a 351. Is this a 351? Manifold though.
Yep.
I can't see where it'd be on the block.
Right, and that's where he started.
Just got a Gemini here. Nice modern wheels on it. Pretty simple, pretty clean. Had one of those steering wheels back in the day, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, mate. That's really clean. It's nice.
That's really nice. This gem.
Now we got Mustang, 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 Mustang. The Mustang party, brother. They are nice cars though, bro. They are nice cars.
Ooh, it's 5 litre. I think this is my first time seeing a stock one.
Next thing, it's not stock.
Yeah, true.
I don't think this one is going to be stock.
Oh,
It's got a coyote.
coyote. I was going to say coyote.
It looks nice. The splitter down the bottom. That's
Yep.
really nice. Wheels are nice.
Coyote badge.
I think this one may be newer than the one next to it.
So this one's a bit more.
Newer, I think. What's this one? Red Hood.
Yeah, I've seen this one a few times.
It's got
Pretty
some
sure.
nice wrap on his car, bro.
Oh, look at your jeans. You are so cute. You are so
I wouldn't know what modified is on these. I
Yeah.
haven't really. I don't know anyone with one.
Got an Evo wagon. Evo 1 or 2. I think it's Evo anyway. I don't know.
It's like Evo 7 or 8, bro.
Oh, okay.
I don't know exactly. I'm not an Evo guy, but
Can you go have a look
from
at it
Forza.
quickly?
You know, from Forza.
Oh, yeah. Nice Evo wagon.
It's pretty cool,
Got the
man.
MV Golf here. Hello.
No wind resistance at all, bro.
This one's pretty.
Even the tail lights have got aero on it. That's
oh,
crazy.
yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Really nice.
That's the
I
owner.
think that's a custom steering wheel.
Yeah.
That looks like one of those ones on the website I showed you.
Yeah. Got carbon fibre engine. Everywhere.
We got a Porsche.
Porsche. Carrera. Nah.
Might be a Boxster. I don't know. Maybe. No. I have to look at the back end, bro. Oh, you're right, Carrera.
Yeah.
Early 2000s, I think.
Yeah,
maybe.
OG. Wow.
I think it's a VR. I think.
You got this monster of a Holden. The big V6. Oh, look at that. You got a rotary.
Oh, rotor rocked up.
Yeah.
Sweet as. What's that?
RX4, I think.
Ivy VY, I believe.
Nice
Or
VYFF.
Maybe VZ.
Yeah. Like his seats.
Oh, that's nice interior.
Yeah, I like his seats, huh?
Yeah, they're cool, man.
Nice colour. And I think this is Ivy's. A nice SSU. Now,
I
what's
think
this
it's
model?
an EB. I think, yeah, EB on the number plate.
Ah, yeah.
It's like my first car, bro. I had the exact same interior as this, same seats. I already looked at it.
Oh, yeah, nice leather.
Yeah.
Oh, with a bit of suede.
Yeah, bro. It's got a V8 in it. 347 stroker.
347. Here's headlights. So these came out in XR6s as well, eh? And 8s.
XR8's come out,
Oh,
pretty sure. They have the XR6s. I don't know about the whole turbo thing, but bro, it's like an EF, I think.
Is that the barra before a barra?
Kind of.
Not too shabby on
Big
these
4
cars.
litre. 6. This is cool.
Got an OG wagon, not sure what it is. Holden. No, Pontiac.
Huh?
It's a Pontiac something.
Pontiac. Is it?
I'm just going off steering wheel. And I like that head unit. Good, how are you? Look at
I
that
don't know
head
if
unit.
that's a Pontiac.
That head unit's cool.
I honestly have no idea what car this is. If you know, let me know. Very cool.
That's a cool head unit, dude.
It's got a Holly Carby,
Aussie speed. Oh, probably Aussie car.
slant engine.
No, it's a Valiant.
See how it's tilted on its side?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, well there you go. Now this is VE, I don't know. Because he's got like a clubby front, I think.
No.
I think it's a clubby bumper.
The Harp engine.
Oh, it is
What's this?
HSV, it might be a club sport.
LS3 V8. Delivering 317 kilowatts.
Looks a lot like my car.
Yeah. Real similar.
Supercharger. That's all.
I think their covers are different.
Yeah, looks a bit like mine.
Oh, it's a
That's
clubby.
Clubby, yeah, clubby.
It's a club sport.
That's cool. It's got like a Senator spoiler.
Yeah. What have we got here? Is this Hyundai?
Yep.
Got a IN something, IN20.
N series. I don't know stuff all about these, hey.
And
People seem to like them though, much more than the old Hyundais.
a bit of an interior look. Got a Calais V wagon.
I think there's a guy drawing a picture of it, bro.
Okay.
That's cool.
So a bloke over here, he comes to car meets and he draws cars.
Too much inside there, you know.
True.
So that'll quicken it up. Yeah. But if it was like a 1923 Harley Davidson or something, a sidecar or something like that.
That's his.
Yeah, man. Yeah. That'll take longer. I did
So
the
he's
longest
doing
one I
that
did
car
was
right now.
WH.
So this is exactly the same as your old
My
one?
old one, yeah.
Oh, yours was international or whatever, but
Yeah, mine was in
same model, eh?
It's V8.
And this one next to it.
Yeah, this too. Caprice.
So when Ash used to have his Stato like this, he used to have an insane sound system in it.
I did. Grinch, I think this is called.
Yeah. Now we got the Grinch SS.
Oh, bud.
Oh, good,
you
bro.
going,
How are
mate?
you?
Both of us.
Yeah. Oh, these two or those?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Got the old school chromies.
Yeah, they're coming off.
Are they?
They're coming off. I don't like them.
What are you going to put on there?
I don't know yet. The ones that are on this, we're supposed to go on that.
Another Jimmy?
Uh,
Yeah.
Got a Gemini OG.
Oh yeah, you can fit like 8 people.
That's clean motor, bro.
Take home, put it away.
Nice Isuzu. Isuzu engine.
Think about this. Check where the gear stick is.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've driven one of these before. It's actually not too bad. Diesel.
Pretty sure this is what my
Oh,
granddad
they put an
had.
Isuzu diesel in it, bro.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Nice reliable engine, I guess. Now you got this big Chev truck.
C10, I'm pretty sure. Just gigantic, bro. Yeah, C10, I'm pretty sure.
Yep. Ah, the inside. Look at the inside. Beautiful. Very beautiful.
It's got a 350 Chev. I've seen this car driving down near my street,
Yeah, actually. Did you see the interior on this? Look at it.
the C10.
Like the whole dash is nice.
Oh yeah, that's clean as. Clean as.
Nice. Matching. Got a HDTV K.
VK.
HDT rims. Got the clavers. CT.
SS wagon coupes.
Got coupes here and a SS wagon.
It's got the Dixon sticker, DWD.
Got a few more local crews on the back. Horsepower crew. Nice big dent.
It's got the Pontiac G8 front end,
Yep. So it looks American.
the big grills and
And we got this walkie.
yeah,
Supercharged walkie.
purple and pink. W457 Walkinshaw Performance.
It's a nice pink.
That engine cover is gigantic, brother.
Yeah. Nice walkie. Some nice chrome
Nice and
HSV
clean, man.
rims.
Go pretty quick. What's the number plates on it?
Yeah.
It's got walkies, bro.
And then even has breast cancer awareness.
Chrome walkies.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at the. Yeah, that's cool. Breast cancer. Oh, now this thing. If you look at the interior on this.
Custom paint, man. It's pretty nice.
Purple. I'm pretty sure this one has bags.
Trying to keep in hand.
It looks like it.
It's pretty
Pretty
low.
low, man.
Yeah. Yeah, look at that. It's pretty low.
Wheels are nice too.
Yeah. We got the Motorsport Edition SS.
Build number 426. That's inside hold, I believe.
And that's this car, I'm pretty sure. See if there's another badge
The
with
seat's
the
pretty cool, man.
number.
I like the seats in this. Like, I like the whole interior, to be honest.
I like how it has motorsport there.
No, I think it's the VS. How I tell the difference between VR and VS is by that.
Oh yeah, the indicator.
Pretty much. And maybe the grill as well.
That's the same engine that we're looking at in that VEN, eh?
Yeah, 304 5 litre.
That's pretty clean.
Is it manual or auto? Auto. I haven't seen many manual SSs in VRV. SSV.
Another VESS. Auto. Oh, no, it's VF. For LS3.
VE. LS3 as well. Yep.
Oh, we got another VE.
Yeah, so the Commodore crew over here, right?
LS1.
No, it wouldn't be one.
No.
L98 like mine, bro.
Ah, yeah. Some nice car seats on it. Covers, car covers.
Is that car that just rocked up?
Not sure, but he has some big tyres. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, blown 6 litre.
HSV. Commodore.
I don't think it's a HSV Commodore.
No, I was going to say. SS.
Yeah.
This one just rocked up. Looks like he has the replacement screen.
See inside, like the red on the dash and that? Yeah.
And on the seats.
That's got a supercharger on it. It's pretty cool. L77. Yeah, L77. Supercharged.
Oh, this one definitely engine swap though.
No.
Oh no, they
No.
come out with that.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice HSV sticker. L98. L98.
Yeah. Caprice. I wonder if it's a Chevy or Holden.
Holden.
Holden. It's got Chevy badges though,
Got Chevy badges all over
but
the Holden.
inside's Holden.
The rims, the inside Holden.
Steering wheel's Holden. VX.
What's this one? VX.
VX. Because
Oh,
we've got the little.
Ah, yeah. So
The
that's
VT is just straight.
yeah. So that's the difference. Ah,
Yeah.
Okay. Because I was going to say VT.
No, VX. And the tail lights too, very different.
Nice SS.
I had a VX. Black.
Ah, yeah. Tail light's got the big circles in the
Yeah,
middle.
no, this part's just different. And the VT, it's all red, basically.
Ah, okay. So don't, because that's not in the,
That's only because it's SS.
oh,
The
yeah.
extra insert. Like my VX didn't have the insert because it was just a S-Pack or some shit I had back in the day.
We got the Barra. Sorry, Ray.
XR6, is it? Yeah. Nice.
Read that. Demon Pro Parts. Nice Barra. Fat red
Red top battery.
turbo. See what size.
I'm not really too fast, but no. You know how the fucking wrap was fitting? It looked like it was fitting, but it doesn't matter. Like, yeah, that, like I said to you, I'm not looking for a perfect guy.
Dick Johnson racing suit, I think. Man, it could be Steve or someone else. But
There's an M on there, so
yeah, I don't know what that means.
got this Mustang here,
Yeah, it's.
Dick Johnson styled. Got all the
This is more. Wasn't this like Courtney? No.
McLaughlin.
McLaughlin, Scotty McLaughlin, that's it.
Got some signatures from
Yeah, don't touch him.
previous races, I'm guessing. Seen this car a few times, mainly at Vic Park. He's always at Vic Park.
I've seen it at Jets Cross one time. What's this little tea party happening?
So we're going real old school now. The vintage camera.
Have a feed, bro. 390 cubic
The
inches.
Bluebird. Sorry. Some eagles in there.
Thunderbird, bro.
Look at the
These
steering
are like
wheel.
so nice
Look at the
inside.
steering
Yeah,
wheel,
look how
it
nice
moves.
these are, bro.
Side
Yeah,
to side.
yeah. This is when they stop making good cars. Look at that seat, bro.
Yeah.
That's just, oh, so beautiful.
You remember when
So beautiful.
Hungry Jack's used to have their seats looking like this, their dining area? Nice Thunderbird.
Back end of it's nice.
Original.
AC,
This looks
with the
mega
number plates,
original.
AC.
I think it is.
Yeah, 1966 AC Cobra.
AC Cobra.
This thing's SVT Cobra. Ford, probably 90s.
Been seeing these pop around.
Late 90s, maybe early 2000s.
Been seeing these popping around for like the last month. SVT.
Spoiler's nice. Kind of comes back. Another GT.
The GT's pretty dirty. Looks like the chamois is
That's what it's
still.
like when you wake up and you try and clean your car. Probably. Oh, well, I've been there.
This one's got a nice engine.
I'm probably there now, to be honest.
Oh, maybe not
That's
this
a nice
bad.
supercharger. Got the Cobra
Yep.
badge on the
Cobra. And then XB.
Nah, E.
E. So the Barra before the Barra, I'm
XR6.
guessing.
Tickford. T stands for Tickford. That T, Tickford was like before FPV, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's got fat ass wheels in the back. They look like centerlines or something. With wheels like this, Rick,
Yeah.
you brake a couple of times and then like you'd be going 100 Ks or something, and then you go to brake and like the pedal just goes straight to the floor, bro, because these wheels overheat the brakes so badly.
Oh, yeah.
My stepdad used to run these on his XC. We going that way?
Oh,
Looks
got
like a VP or VQ Statesman. I think it's a Stato.
if I have one of these
Stato or Calais?
Statos.
I think it's a Stato.
Calais.
It is? Oh, it's a VP Calais then.
It's turbo, huh? I'm just going by his gauges in the middle. Yeah, it's like,
yeah.
like right in the middle under the head unit.
We got another Calais.
2 Calais. Oh, both of them turbos.
Got walkies, I think.
Ah,
I think that's a VR, I think.
come over, have a look at the bikes.
Yeah, bro.
I think my favourite bike that's here is the Indian that's outside over there somewhere, if he's still here. Or that Harley. That green Harley. It's a nice Harley. Sports.
This is old school, bro. Old school as.
OG Harley.
Yeah. Like, I've always thought this is cool. You always see the passenger, like, it's got a mad backrest and that.
Yeah.
I always kind of like that.
Live to ride, ride to live, Harley Davidson way. Yeah,
I
reckon
know
this-
absolutely nothing about Harley Davidsons, really, bro. except as they're loud and they're looking nice.
Oh, this one's the same as that one over there.
Yeah.
Just a different paint. Engine's the same. This one
I like
looks,
the wheels on this.
yeah.
The thick
Big spokes.
yeah, really thick spokes, bro.
This one looks older than most, and that one on the outside.
There's an Indian, black Indian, bro. That's sick.
Oh yeah. So this might be like the Indian that I've seen at the front there, or
Maybe.
just over there. Look at the badge. "103 cubic inches." Knows what that means.
That's how big the engine is, brother.